Hello! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro and I'm gonna show you how to download and install additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download and install additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mibro Fit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the Mibro Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And once you open the app, tap on the device icon, and here you should see a Mibro Watch GS Pro on the device page. Now tap on the watch faces, and here we have the basically a list of watch faces we can download and install on our watch. There's quite a few, as you can see. So find the watch face you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it, tap on it to select it, then tap on installation button and wait. And after the watch face is done installing, it will be applied on your watch, as you can see. You can also remove it by tapping on the bin icon right here, or you can go to the watch faces menu, tap on watch faces, and here you have the list of the watch faces you downloaded before. And you can check them right here. You can tap on them to see if they're installed or not. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you download and install additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.